How to use foil quill on faux leather with Silhouette. Step 1. First, make sure to set up the page setup panel. Step 2. Go to Flexi Shapes, select a basic shape, then click and draw the shape. Step 3. Resize the shape and create a duplicate. Step 4. Set them side by side, select both and duplicate them. Step 5. Right-click the duplicated design and select Flip horizontally. Step 6. Go to the Send tab, click the Material drop-down and select Leather. Step 7. Set the action to cut and select the tool. Step 8. Next, check the cut settings. Step 9. Grab a piece of transfer tape and place it on top of the mat. Step 10. Trim off a piece of material you'll be using and place it on top of the transfer tape and the mat. Step 11. Load the mat into the machine, click Send in Silhouette Studio and it'll start cutting. Step 12. Once it's done cutting, check the cut and ensure that it's cut all the way through. Step 13. If you're happy with the cut, weed out the excess material. Step 14. Grab the foil and place it on top of the design. Step 15. Press it down gently to ensure that it adheres well. Step 16. Go back to Silhouette Studio and go to the Design tab. Step 17. Select the design, go to the Offset panel, select Internal Offset, set a distance and click Apply. Step 18. Go to the Text Style panel and select a dingbat font. Step 19. Type out a letter to use. Step 20. Place the letter in the middle of the design, then resize and reposition it. Step 21. Duplicate and place the letter on all the designs. Step 22. Increase the line thickness if required from the Quick Access toolbar. Step 23. Go to the Send panel, select all the outer lines and click No Cut. Step 24. Click the Material drop-down and select Fabric, then set the action to Sketch. Step 25. Lower the speed and force under the settings. Step 26. Insert the foil quill device into your Silhouette machine, load the mat in and start sketching. Step 27. Once done, remove the foil quill out of the carriage. Step 28. Unload the MT and peel off the foil. Step 29. Remove the design from the mat and peel off the transfer tape. Step 30. Now go ahead and assemble the design. For more such help and information, visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at +1 786 866 5932 +44 020 3983 0480.